In this video, we'll guide you through setting up ignition payments, enabling you to collect payments from clients seamlessly, eliminate overdue invoices, improve predictability of cash flow, and implement a hands-off accounts receivable process. Now let's begin the setup process. From the side menu, go to Settings and then Payments. You'll find a short video and links to resources if you'd like to learn more about ignition payments. But let's keep moving forward by pressing Next. The first step is to input the details of the bank account that you want payments to be deposited into once they've cleared. Next, set your client statement descriptor. This is the text clients will see on their bank statements when they're charged. It's important to make it clear that these payments are linked to your business to prevent disputes. Once completed, click Submit and Next. You'll now need to verify your business. A pop-up window from Stripe, the secure facilitator of ignition payments, will appear. From here, enter your business details. Then click Continue. The next step is to verify the representative of the business authorizing the setup of ignition payments. This section must be filled out by someone with significant control and management of your business. If that's not you, make sure to ask the right person to continue the verification process. From here, the identification of the representative needs to be validated by uploading a government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license. Follow the prompts to upload the identification, ensuring the ID is current, clear, and that all four corners are visible in the photo. The final step is to review the information you've entered and then submit for final approval to enable payouts into your bank account. This can take up to 7 business days. Once submitted, you'll then be taken back to Ignition's payment settings page. The first setting is where you can define the number of days to wait after an invoice is issued before payment is collected by Ignition. By default, collection is made the same day, but you can also extend your payment terms if preferred. If you've connected your accounting software to Ignition, it's best practice to have this match the terms you've specified in invoice settings. Next, toggle on Allow Online Payments for Invoices to give clients who haven't yet entered their payment details the option to pay their invoice online. If this is toggled on, a link to a secure payment portal will be sent to your client after an invoice is created that will allow them to safely enter their payment information. This feature can also be used for clients who prefer to review invoices before manually authorizing payment. If you're in a region where passing on card processing fees is available, you'll have the option to toggle this on and set the fee rate that your clients will be charged. Once enabled, clients that pay invoices with a card using Ignition's payment system will be charged a processing fee that will be credited to your Ignition account. You can turn card processing fees off for individual clients by clicking on the More Actions button on the client record. If you need to enable card fees again for this client, use the same More Actions button. Next, you have an option to retry failed payments automatically. If enabled, your client will receive an email that will alert them to a payment failure and advise that payment will be reattempted in 3 business days. The email will also contain a link to allow them to retry payments sooner and update their payment information if necessary. If the payment is successful, the automatic payment retry will be canceled. And finally, the default payment method section allows you to set the payment methods you accept and whether you require payment details to be entered prior to a proposal being signed. If you need to adjust these settings for a particular client, you can do so during the proposal creation process or prior to sending a payment method request. Once completed, click Finish. Thanks for joining us to learn about setting up ignition payments. If you have any questions, you can access our education resources and chat to our friendly support team by clicking on the Ignition logo at the bottom right of screen.